Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make the most satisfying bell peppers stuffed with meat, rice, and peas. Here is one of my all-time favorite dinner recipes. Begin by adding 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of boiling water. Add 1 cup of Arborio rice to the boiling water. See package for cooking time. Wash 8 large red bell peppers. Cut the top and remove the seeds. Place the peppers in a large bowl and set them aside. Now let's prepare the filling. For the filling, we'll need 2 pounds of mixed ground beef, veal, and pork. Place the meat inside a large bowl. Add 1 large egg, the boiled and drained rice, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of frozen peas, a handful of chopped parsley, a handful of chopped basil, 2 large diced garlic cloves, and 1 large chopped white onion. Add these to the bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of marjoram. Mix together. Let's refrigerate the filling while we prepare the sauce. We'll need 1 large diced garlic clove, a handful of chopped parsley, a handful of chopped basil, and 1 large chopped white onion. Add these to a medium-sized saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Cook for 3 minutes over low-medium heat. Add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Add salt and chili to taste. Cook the sauce for 15 minutes over medium heat. Stir it occasionally. In the meantime, cut 8 1-inch cubes of mozzarella cheese and set them aside. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In this video, I baked my peppers in a large cast iron pot. If you don't have one, any large oven pot will do. Add some sauce at the bottom of the pot. Season the peppers with some salt and black pepper. Fill half of the pepper with the prepared mixture. Add 1 cube of mozzarella cheese. Continue filling to the top. Add sauce and then cover. Bake the peppers uncovered for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, cover with foil and continue baking for another 15 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.